Wait till I see the wait, hold up.
Bitch ass.
But get the fuck
Nah,
out.
what's all that shit talk?
Nigga try to bust it. Bro, that bitch could have killed me. That bitch could have killed us, dude. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Super Rich back again with another video, and today we finna be doing a little something different. Now I'm stealing somebody else's video I did, but he stole it from somebody, so it really don't matter. I'm finna be doing this exploding basketball prank on my friend Jeremiah. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go get some basketball, then we're gonna fill them bitches up with air. But you're gonna explode them bitches, but he don't know though. So I'm gonna act like we're gonna do a regular 1v1 or some shit, and I'm gonna just bounce that bitch on the air and that bitch just, the main fear is that bitch exploding while it's in my face. No homo. We're gonna try to do that and get back to y'all.
Park enforcement on YouTube.
You said what?
They be doing park enforcement shit.
Parking? You said what?
Park enforcement.
You talking about that video we watched where they act like they was
I watched that with you.
yeah, but they act like they was.
This shit fire.
Goddamn.
What the fuck?
You said what?
I ain't never seen no shit do that.
Do it. Oh, like a barbershop?
Yeah.
We got a lifeguard on dude.
You know what I'm saying? Big security.
Yeah, security. Who type of folk that wear stuff like that? Lifeguards.
Hell no.
Security.
Like
Security.
people that gotta be aware. Like you gotta
mostly
you gotta
like
see them type shit.
yeah, like
So,
at nighttime.
Or daytime, just like so you can know like a hazard type shit. Or just like they, I don't know.
You talking about like the folk at the strip club?
What you mean?
At the strip club?
I thought ain't nobody in no damn strip club gonna wear no bird ass vest.
The bounce? So you can see him bounce your head. Right?
What strip club you going to that got a bounce for shaking head?
The midget strip club
Fuck no.
down in Tennessee.
Fuck no.
Called Little Nigga Naggers.
Fuck no. Give me that camera. Cause fuck no, what are you talking about?
You never been to a midget
You
strip club?
down there in the stop sign.
God damn.
My head, bro, this light.
Fuck it,
My hair
man.
shrunk like a bit.
Fuck how it turn out. Still,
Yeah, Rayshawn, my nigga Rayshawn.
that nigga look dangerous.
Yeah.
Goddamn.
Really
I still ain't got one of them things to we need one of them things to blow the basketball up.
Oh, fuck yeah, sure do. Are you still get it blown up?
You said what?
Are you still get the ball blown up enough for you? You
Nah, but I'm saying we ain't gonna
need
know.
it. We need it with us, or we just need to get the ball to that point.
I mean, we need it. We kind of need it with us just in case it don't be the right amount of pressure or the shit don't work. Cause that nigga said
Go straight. Where you going?
Man, we gotta go get some basketball.
Oh, go. I ain't know. Yeah, I'm on the way to go get the damn basketball. You know.
Shit, I ain't just gonna hit one right. I'm gonna hit 4 rights.
And no mom I have this shit. You know, rubber band or what the fuck. This shit look weird on camera.
If I hit 4 rights,
You hit 4 rights, you gonna hit a full block.
and where they gonna lead it back to?
Square one.
Square one.
Yeah, slow y'all that down. You wait. Boy, I'm gonna get knocked out if I'm trying. No, they turned on their signal late. They did. They took hella long to turn.
Too long.
What the music at? What the fuck?
Shit.
And I gotta play, but I listen to this one Gunna song and
Jackson.
Gunner and Lil Dirt. Let me find it. Let me see. This shit hard as hell.
She pulled up, rolled her window down like she want to bump. Hit her in the fade. That's what I'll do. So we gonna get back with y'all when we get in Walmart.
Huh?
Shall we begin? Step 1, 2.
A few inches later.
Like $5. You talking about the black one? Nigga, them volleyballs.
This is a basketball. This is a basketball. That shit ball.
I'm saying, but they already got them.
But they still in the same concept.
Then they said concept.
All these basketballs still say $5.
You said what?
What? Cause look. Then they open.
You right, cause these bitches right here. These bitches right here about $20-something. Can't do that. Can't do that
They
one.
bought that. This probably the best one right here. These probably the best.
Hey, I'm Cal. I'm a real person. Would you like to go skateboards?
Babe, yes, I am real man. You wanna go skateboards?
Do a ollie. You know how to skateboard?
A little bit. I can't do that.
24 hours later.
Or would you say that?
Nah.
It said that. But why the fuck my foot feel like it got hit or some shit? What the fuck?
Should probably X me.
No, I'm just asking.
Alright, so it's the next day. I had to go get this. I had to go get this from my house because the other shit, it's like the shit that's way more convenient. I got it, but I ain't got no need to
Bruce
it.
drop them off.
We just gonna have to do. We just gonna have to do with what we got. Man, and they might take a little while, so just fast forward through this. Well, I hope this shit blow up on the first try.
But we're gonna have to pump that bitch. Let me take over real quick.
Yeah, handyman trip like.
Yeah, this shit gonna be work. Oh yeah. Then these mosquitoes biting the fuck out of me. Get the fuck on.
Shit.
We need an automatic one.
Yeah.
Or like that. That shit. Cause this shit on it.
And what would've been way easier is this. But goddamn, I don't know where the bottle went to it. It seems like it doing anything.
Hell no. Niggas gonna have some damn. This is damn Al workout. Nigga Al's gonna be big as hell.
Tone here.
This shit is.
Yeah, let's just go to Walmart. Alright, bro, so we just blew the bars up. We ain't recorded blowing the bars up because we was at the park. There's a whole bunch of old heads at the park. You know how that is. You motherfucker get to answer
Some bullshit.
a million questions. It was one old funny nigga there, but he was high as fuck.
They had to say, man.
That nigga was on that gas. That nigga offered me some.
Need to know where you're from. Got that nigga say you the reason they left. That nigga called you the police.
That nigga said
nah.
the young folks out there with the gun. I don't know what the hell that nigga was talking about.
Oh no, keep going, cause I feel like I hate when I ride behind a car and like
You feel like you following?
Yeah.
Yeah. Goddamn. That nigga had offered me some gas. Number one lesson, kid, don't smoke. Don't smoke at all. But if you do smoke, don't smoke with everybody.
yeah.
Especially folks you don't know. They just randomly just offer you shit.
This shit might be good, but you don't know that.
Yeah.
You don't know the genuine intentions of them asking you. You wanna hit this? You don't know.
Yeah, might be laced.
Yeah, you don't know.
Motherfucker might have herpes.
Now hurry up with this big ass fucking
Damn black,
expedition.
damn black man SUV.
Shit.
The fuck is that?
Fucking what?
That. What the fuck? Let me get the fuck from there. What the hell they got going on? Them motherfucker doing voodoo on everybody that
What, so
drive.
you gonna slam that bit? He not out there. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
we
The
gonna.
fuck that nigga swing?
That nigga always
Record this
swing.
man, bro.
Bro.
Look.
Yeah,
Caught
grown-
that nigga lacking. He said he don't be swinging.
Grown
We caught
ass
his
man.
ass lacking, pulling up.
Be swinging, bro.
Look at this man. Dead ass swinging.
Look, he trying to get off it now. Big ass
Swinging.
field sitting on.
4K. 4K, big.
Hey, you
4K.
a grown man swinging on the swing
What's
set.
wrong with you? Fucking wrong with you?
You let him do that,
Get up. Why is you leaning down?
huh?
You caught already, man.
You said what?
I just came back out here.
Hey, but you handed him that water. You still let him do that,
You caught already.
man? Y'all need.
It already happened. You finna run that ball over.
No, I'm finna act like I'm finna 1v1 them real quick, and then you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna let it go for a little while. Then I'm gonna try to slam that bit, bro. I think we gotta run. We gotta hurry up and leave after we slam, cause somebody might call the police or something. Cause we a bunch of around the old.
We don't gotta run. I ain't.
Yeah, fuck
We
it. If
don't-
that bit,
yeah, fuck.
if that bit blow up, then
I ain't trying to run, but shit, you my ride. So.
I thought you said good job.
What?
10 minutes.
nigga, shut up.
It was 30 minutes y'all came.
Shut up.
That nigga Chris rolled up, then rolled and back down. That bitch.
No, we had somewhere else to go. I told you after we left Walmart, we gonna have somewhere else to go. Then we got shit on my
Yeah,
goddamn
you said
shit.
10 minutes.
We thought it was gonna be 10 minutes. It was a bunch of old heads out there wanted to talk.
I got a nigga offering that nigga weed.
Like, well, I don't know you.
Well, I remember I went to Montgomery last month. It was like,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
but it's not recording, man.
The fuck we supposed to do?
I ain't know what y'all were doing.
Shut up. How about you pick up a camera and record? How about that?
My nigga Cam in the. What up, Cam?
What up?
So what up to the camera, bro?
What up,
Damn.
man? Damn.
Then we got this nigga. So what up, bro? Hold up, bro. That shit ain't even focused. Fuck off me. Pussy ass nigga.
You must have got that bitch.
Wait till y'all see the wait, hold up.
Bitch ass.
Bro,
nigga.
get the fuck
Nah,
off
what was
me.
all that shit talk? Oh, my 1v1. Both of y'all need.
Hey, 1v1 me right now. What?
You gonna put it on the channel?
Right now, y'all going at it right now type shit?
Shit, I mean, we can.
Yeah, come
Right now?
Jazz work.
You going right now?
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, I'll let you get both.
Look, and the forces, and the dirty ass.
Nigga, I got slides on.
What size you
I can embarrass you on the
10.
channel, you know what
Nigga,
I'm saying?
I got 10 and a half.
That's alright.
You gonna embarrass,
Yeah,
man?
I'm embarrassed, dude. You can't hoop.
He say he gonna embarrass. Hey,
No, I
bro,
ain't making no
you
sense.
in the
I'm
wrong
listening.
conversation. He said he gonna embarrass
Yeah,
you.
come on. I'll let you get ball first.
We using that ball?
Yes, I'll let you get ball first.
Man, what?
Nah.
It's good.
I'll let you get ball first.
You should come bounce, car.
I know.
Your ball here.
Yeah, what's wrong with my ball? The only thing,
Nigga, that ball out of there, we just
No,
got
I'm
these
talking
for the
about
purpose. Huh?
the only thing.
Bro, can y'all niggas stop talking,
You know what I'm
bro,
saying?
and
Come on,
play?
bro. Come on. Look, you doing. I know you ain't using no
I'm
excuse.
gonna hold it for you.
So I threw it to you.
Why you disrespectful, bro?
I threw it to you.
See, that's why. Don't be in the comment like why y'all be rude to this nigga, cause this nigga be
Doing dumb shit.
exactly.
Come on, man. Come on, let's 1-1. We using that ball. I'll let you get ball first.
This ball.
Wait, y'all gotta explain the rules and shit, y'all. This shit
yeah.
disorganized.
We're going to 12.
What?
We're going to 12. Ones and twos.
12 ones and twos. Is it a punishment or something, or is this just some competition type shit?
It's just a regular.
Regular day? Okay. Yeah.
expecting him to. That nigga can shoot. He,
Open the fucking trunk so they can see the fucking balls.
nigga, I ain't even expect. Well, first, to be honest, I wouldn't even think it, but he. You know,
I was going to say it.
you know how
but
Jeremiah is. He wouldn't even. He don't even.
yeah, true. Hey, shit, you locked in for this 1v1, bro?
Of course.
You locked. Damn, I ain't. You locked in.
Shit, let me see. Finna drop this nigga off real quick. Look, he ain't even. I already know I'm finna whoop his ass. He ain't even paying attention.
Bro, 80
Oh, ugly
degrees. It's
nigga.
75 degrees outside.
How the
75, humid.
Yeah,
Humid. Like, it's Florida out there, bitch. This nigga got on a black ass pullover. You know he on some type of drug.
Shit, y'all nigga be saying it be 86 degrees outside.
But that still don't make sense for you to wear a jacket.
You just like to be musty, man.
No, I'm not musty. No, I was cold in the house.
Alright.
So why the fuck you want jacket outside then?
This shit bouncy as hell.
My nigga, stop complaining about shit. It's a basketball, of course it's gonna be bouncy. Y'all ain't got that much air in it.
Shit,
Fuck, boy.
We got ball, man.
I shoot better than you.
Damn. You say you shoot better than him, bro.
Left hand layup. Sit your ass down.
I know you ain't talking.
Splash that. Splash that.
Hold up. You shoot like an old head. Like an old head teacher now. You dumb, his hand lines up.
Bro, look what he
This-
doing.
this-
Player,
Just look what he
you
doing.
just touch your fucking nose and you gonna grab my hand, bitch. What's wrong with
Hey,
You
you?
went like
Like
this,
this.
nigga. You got like I
And you
dig in
jump
my
off your
nose.
toes and you make it like that.
Nigga, I'm not finna.
That's big.
Oh, you don't need to teach me shit.
Shit, I can.
Wrong.
I was trying to be down.
Captain Dynamite looking at it, baby.
I ain't gonna lie, but like,
Shit.
It smell like freeze.
oh, it smell like coconut.
You smell like shit. Smell like Michael Jackson gloves.
Hell no.
They're gonna keep shooting that bitch out of bounds.
You be playing with that damn ball.
Oh, this bounce when it bounce off the grass.
Now that nigga, that shit don't got no type of grip on.
Why y'all complaining so much? I need to step on somebody.
I'll get you another one.
D. This nigga need to get with the point of the video. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Damn, man, I can't make that.
OMG and JMA.
You see, I
I'm
like
finna make up an excuse to get mad so I can throw it.
y'all
off.
just finna get mad or some shit. I did throw that bitch.
Who's your ass on the court?
Little ass Bernie Mac.
Oh, that look like it's out of 8 when you look at
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that look like E.T.
Oh,
That
shit.
look like A-Rab.
You sleep in your dirty clothes.
I ain't know, crew.
I don't trust you.
Tight ass dreams.
Oh my.
Why the fuck you keep making it?
Huh?
Stop making it.
4-1.
Alright, so let's throw that shit then out.
No, no.
OMG, it's just an H.
Oh my. 6. What you gonna do, man?
7-1.
1 to 10, how big mad are you?
What?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
He said 10.
Well, you ain't even slamming it right. You go. Damn. I think you gotta get the other ball.
Be like, you gotta switch.
I really ain't feeling that one. I got another one in the car, man.
What the fuck? That's a ball right here.
No, it feel like it's too bouncing. Bro, them balls ain't even got no goddamn air in it.
Look at that nigga old, bro.
Bro, if he trash, just say that.
Why that nigga got
That
3
nigga
black
just
balls?
He's
Why
sorry as fuck. That's all it is.
Cam, what the fuck going on, man?
I don't know. That nigga crazy. He came
Like-
out here with cargo pants on. Jeremiah.
Oh my.
Alright, get that one.
That bitch is the same.
Not for real. It just bouncing. The other shit, I don't know. Oh, I see why he switched, bro. He's trying to mess up my shot.
Yeah.
Never.
Did it go in?
No. I airball that hoe.
Like that.
Yeah, like brother. Hey, why you
Nigga, check the ball. What the fuck?
Man, why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me?
That is stupid right now.
Ooh. He think he hooded mellow. Carmelo in.
They play King Fortnite.
Don't make it.
7. 7-4.
Huh?
7-4. That was 7. That's 7.
I thought he just got one.
He do got 1, but you got 7.
Like you big man. Like,
No.
big man. Yeah. Your mouth.
Oh my God. 9.
Shit. This ain't working.
I think 3-7, 3-8. We're gonna say 3-8. What the fuck?
Your ball busted?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shit, funny.
Nigga, you gotta throw that fucking bitch away. You gotta throw that shit hard as hell. But that shit exploded in your trunk.
Yeah. Let me take this one out, man. Damn, boy. Bruh, I goddamn. Shit, good shit, but wrong goddamn. Bruh, he built like a basketball, nasty ass. But you ain't built like a hook shot. Get your ass out of here.
Huh, get that bitch.
Damn.
You motherfuckers might have
Bruh.
a titty on that bitch. You don't want me.
Count, you don't want me one? Bro.
So you quit.
Bro, that bitch could have killed me. That bitch could have killed us, dude. God damn.
Quit on me.
Shoot, hold it.
You gonna do it on me?
Hold it.
You got a zip on your pocket.
Yeah.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Alright, so this bitch exploded already. So, excuse me. So what we gonna do? He gonna king of the court now, and he gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, make it pop or whatever. Hey. I ain't playing, nigga.
Are we doing king? No, are we doing one possession? Like, should we do it like by possession? Like offense, defense? Nah, we just do it.
Yeah, if you make it, take it. Then that person get on court. Yeah, he was just talking shit. You said what? What you just said?
Take it like a man.
He said 5.
I don't say that shit no more in no type of context. Hey.
Fuck.
It ain't bouncy. You just can't play with it. He can't shoot. What I said.
The worst one, dude. Huh? You get that ball.
But it don't matter about the balls. It's just how you play. See, that's an excuse. That's a loser excuse.
So why'd you switch balls?
Because we was 1v1.
That's what I'm. Okay.
You light skin. You gotta get
a ball.
You light skin.
Like you said, balls.
Shut up.
Right?
You light skin. You wearing black, right? I had to get a dark skin, and both of us got on black shirt. You got on black jacket. I got on the black shirt.
So you light skin?
I was trying to even it out. Shit, somebody just called me light skin earlier. I forgot who.
So you light skin too?
Though. Nigga tried to bust it.
Nigga think he drunk out there. But a ball, but.
Yes, sir. My shoulder fucked up. I guess I wasn't throwing that bit hard enough.
This shit was loud as fuck,
Yeah.
Hey, bro, that's what we were trying to do on y'all.
Yeah, bro. You know that exploding basketball print? We were trying to do that. We were gonna do it on LePatrick, but you know he wasn't here. You know he moved, so you know you like hooping with your regular light skin ass. So we brought you out here so we can yeah.
That shit was loud as fuck though.
Yeah.
That second one was. Well, I mean the first one would have been.
The first one would have been, but it was in my goddamn trunk.
Yeah.
That's why I tried to switch ball, cause I thought no.
We picked the wrong ball. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
We should have picked the one with the titties in it. The one that was forming the titties, that was the one ready to bust.
But goddamn, my shoulder fucked up. So I guess I wasn't throwing it as hard as if I was trying to.
And you were throwing it with two hands.
Just let me know.
You should
gonna do it
like
with Patrick. I got a ball. I got a titty in at the house.
I threw that bitch in.
It full like, do we just got a titty or is it full? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about that big guy. That motherfucker got fat at titty. That's what I'm saying. When Jazz was about a 19-year-old man.
Oh, sleep. We'll make him not eat it and knock him out.
Sleep.
Dude, get your light ass out of here. Right. Tired of your light ass. Shut up, highlighter. Nigga, that last. Yeah, ooh, now me personally. Me personally, I wouldn't let nobody talk to me like that, but that's just me.
Alright. I want ball body.
Hey, if you take that shit off, y'all.
What the fuck is that? That nigga whooping his ass with an inflated ball. Again, me personally, I wouldn't let nobody talk to me like that, but
I smack your ass.
that's just me. That child abuse. I thought you said you don't play with kids.
Huh?
You just said you
not
don't.
a kid.
You just said you don't play with kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, bust that bitch over there though. Or if you bust it in his face, bust that bitch over there.
You need to bust this one at least.
Shit, hey, when we bust this one.
Bust it.
Oh, shut up.
Bust it.
When we
Bust it.
Shut the fuck up. When we bust this one, we need to go for you because they might call the police.
Alright.
Shit.
She already been having shit going on. Like jump up a little bit, like Sparta that bit, like yeah. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, you're throwing the ball at an angle. You're not throwing it down.
Fucked up his shoulder, nigga.
You bust that bit.
Bust that shit.
Use your other hand.
Nigga, that's my weakness.
It don't matter. It's better than that shit you doing. This nigga throwing that bit like these. There's that I get for trying to wrestle.
For real.
Shut your ass up. You can't fight. Look at this nigga, bro.
You can't fight now.
I finna draw his ass with that.
Out your face.
Oh really? Oh really?
Yep.
That's how you feel?
Nah.
That's how you feel?
I don't fight folks.
That's how you really feel?
No. I don't fight folks.
It's cool.
That shit out my face.
Hey dude!
Hey, pass back. I lost grip. I can't throw that bitch like I want.
Jeremiah do that hoe. But you can slide out with that nigga. Why you being scary?
What the fuck being scared?
This nigga don't break no laws. You a law-abiding citizen. He a law-abiding citizen.
Let me see that hoe. I'm gonna jump and do that hoe.
We got black people out here. They're just busking basketballs, and they're supposed to play with them. Hell, we let them do that back in the 70s. Hell, they walked outside. That was their ass. But now we letting them play basketball outside, huh?
This is gonna slide.
Malachi, huh?
Oh, Malachi?
All right, bust that bit. Where the fuck you going? Where you going?
Nigga, I'll put that shit in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
so go ahead then, my
I don't
nigga.
know if I'm gonna do it or not.
That nigga extra here, man. If you don't. You did the exact same thing I did. Bro, go get that bitch at least. Bro, Malachi, you don't. I just gave you a assist. Don't do it at an angle, go like just straight down. Yeah, never mind.
That girl got a cold heart, chrome hearts, my body, I'm way too advanced. So we having a slow start, never letting this shit fuck up what I got planned. Pain the shit feel like Mozart, bang the chopper like Ozark.